Hello everybody. My name is Thomas Liedtke, trainer at Kugler Mark & Company. There's hardly a company left in the automotive industry that can ignore cybersecurity issues. Many experienced engineers therefore need to grasp the topics of cybersecurity from the ground up. For them, we have developed this 2-in-1 training. Session number 1 of the training is a crash course. It will familiarize you with threat scenarios and the context of potential attacks. In doing so, you will deal intensively with understanding attack scenarios. You will be aware to recognize them in advance with risk analyses. Together, we will also discuss the scope of international standards and regulations such as UNICE. We will also consider the boundaries and intersections with privacy tasks and functional safety, ISO 26262. To defend against these threats, the second session addresses technical controls. This will give you deep insights into the backbone technology of connected IT infrastructures, the context in which the connected cars are on the road. Start your cybersecurity career right from the beginning. See you soon.